Hey everybody, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. To all my new watchers, hello and welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification down below. Let's give this video a full watch and a thumbs up. Today I have another Halloween treat for you guys. We will be making mummy dogs. Again, this is another kid-friendly one. The kids will love it. It's quick and easy, should only take about 10 to 15 minutes. What you'll need for this recipe is crescent dough. You can also use a croissant, whichever one that you have. Even the biscuits will work just as fine for this one as well. And you would just need your favorite brand of hot dogs and mustard. So the first thing we're gonna do is roll out our dough like so. Then we're just going to make strips with our pizza cutter. Depending on how many hot dogs you use, you will be using all of your dough, but I only did one pack, so I only used about half. So what you want to do is take your dough and put a base on top of your hot dog. So that's just like giving them their little hat, that they have, that the mummies do wear. So that's all I did, and then I just started twirling the dough around the hot dog like so. And it's okay how, doesn't matter how they really come out, it's just a fun, quick and cute idea to do for Halloween. So this is how mine came out, and then I just finished with all of the hot dogs. So with my leftover dough, I will be doing a short just to show you guys how I made some garlic cheesy bread with this. That will be coming in another video. So I'm just going to spray my pan down with some Pam. And then I'm just going to place those in the oven for about 10 to 13 minutes. And then they'll come out golden brown like so. You can put parsley flakes on them to make them look like they're rotted. You can use ketchup or blood if you would like. Up to the kiddos, let them decorate and have fun with these. All I did was grab some mustard and make their eyes. That's really about it. And my eyes came out funky. You guys will see me trying to fix them, trying to make them look cute. But again, this is just a fun idea for kids. They will love to help you out with this one. Just make sure the hot dogs are cooled down. And again, either ketchup, mustard, whatever toppings they like, just go ahead and let them place that on top of the hot dogs. And it comes out like so. And then you just see me fixing the eye so it doesn't look so crazy. But aren't they so cute? Ooh, mummy dogs. Again, I hope you guys all like this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. For more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end.